if you can find the phone number of Telegram users that have hidden their number. Here is a random Telegram group chat. So if I try to find a phone number from here, so let's just tap on its profile. And as you can see, the phone number of this person is hidden, but their username is available. So let's long press on the username and it will be copied to our clipboard. Even if you use third-party apps or websites to try to find their number. So let's see if we can find it here. This website called mebot.com. So let's try to find their user ID right here. You will have to enter their username, tap on get phone number. So once we tap here, it might take a while. It says phone number not found because of user's privacy. So they have activated their privacy settings to make it only visible to themselves or the people that they have chosen. You cannot view someone's Telegram phone number if they have hidden it from the public eye. So you you are not able to find anyone's phone number that has hidden their number from the public. So I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.